Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off or disable temporarily a Windows Defender on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started by click on system tray. Here there is a shield icon. This is the Windows security. You can click it. Now you can click on virus and threat protection. You can disable the Windows Defender from here. You can click manage settings, and here you can turn off the RTP, real-time protections. So this is temporarily, and locate and stop malware from installing or running on your device. You can turn off these settings for a short time before it turns back on automatically. So you can consider to turn off this RTP on your Windows Defender or Windows Security. And there is a developer drive protection. You can turn off cloud delivered protection, automatic sample submission, tamper protection. You can turn it off, but not for permanent. It's just for short time, for temporarily. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe to this button below. See you in the next video.